Okay, very good morning. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Who is Molly Mishra? Change your name and keep your cameras on.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you can read English, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होता है मैथ्स पीरियड में भूल जाते हो क्या? Stand up, stretch your arms. Stand up, everyone. Stretch your arms. Stand up, stand होकर के stretch your arms. रेशा बैठे बैठे, है ना? Lazy. Stretch your arms properly. Up. Up. Up करके stretch करो. Okay, very good. Mishti, what are you doing? Are you sleeping? And switch off your mic, Mishti. Mana, open your camera, Pratyaksh. You're not the special guest in this class. मुझे लगता है ना प्रत्यक्ष को इंग्लिश रीड करनी नहीं आती है. Whatever is written, he cannot read it. It's written, keep your camera on, or else you will be out of the meeting. So he will be out of the meeting without warning. Stand up and stretch your arms. Are you all tired now?
Ma'am, please wait. I am opening. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras. Stretch your arms. Stand up and stretch your arms because I think you all are tired. I can see the tiredness on your face. Stretch your arms. Yes, very good. Some of them are still not doing. Chalo.
Because I am not tired.
Oh, very good. Chalo, now sit down. Sit down. Okay. What beta actually what happened? आप मुझे ये बताओ. Take out your maths by notebook. Your exercise. Take out the exercise. Beta, whatever I'm asking, just answer me that question. Okay. Wait. This is 4th B. आपने 4th B D किधर गया? बेटा मुझे 1.9 एक्सरसाइज निकालो. 1.9 एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन बी के बाद आपने क्वेश्चन सी किया है. राइट द बेटा वो मिस हो गया है क्वेश्चन सी. क्वेश्चन सी मिस हो गया है. सो प्लीज डू दैट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. जब हम फिनिश कर लेंगे ना पूरा तो रिमाइंड मी कि मैम हमें वो भी कराना है. ठीक है.
मैम पर अगले पेज पे तो हमने एक्सरसाइज.
अरे पहले मेरी बात तो सुन लो मिष्टी. You keep on your speaking yourself. Never listen to me. Keep your mic on mute. Yes, beta. See, one question is left out. Question number C is left out. ठीक है. Question C रह गया है अभी. अब question C जो है जब हमारा पूरा वर्क कंप्लीट, पूरा चैप्टर भी कंप्लीट होने वाला है, थोड़ा सा ही रह गया है. जब पूरा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ना उसके बाद मैं आपको वो क्वेश्चन C करा दूंगी. ठीक है. अभी नहीं करना है. अभी नहीं करेंगे. यू विल रिमाइंड मी. जब पूरा चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा आप मुझे रिमाइंड करोगे. शीर्ष यू विल रिमाइंड मी because you are mostly attentive in class. and Stuti these two students. ठीक है. आप लोग रोज आते हो क्लास में. you never miss a single class. both of Stuti especially. so you both will remind me about this question. okay मैम क्वेश्चन 1.9 का क्वेश्चन सी भी कराना है आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द होल मतलब दिस एक्सरसाइज. अभी पूरा चैप्टर कंप्लीट होने वाला है बस ये चैप्टर. ठीक है. yesterday we have done arrange in ascending order, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will do arrange in descending order. Wait a minute. Today what we will do? Huh?
Descending.
Today we will do arrange in descending order. You know what is descending order?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by descending order?
Descending order to smaller.
Bigger to smaller. Descending means bigger to smaller number. Okay? So we will start with today descending order. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Let me take it out. Descending order. Let's see.
Ma'am, under the we are doing the descending order or a new page?
Beta, same page. अभी I will tell you everything. Just give me 2 more minutes. 2 minutes से दो बेटा. आपको सब पर मैं लिख देती हूँ ना टॉप पर कि सेम पेज पे करना है या न्यू पेज पर करना है ना? और I don't write it. If I don't write it, then you can ask me this question. मैं लिख देती हूँ ना? Okay, let me start with the. Wait a second. It's downloading. Arrange in descending order test. Fourth C. Wait a minute. I'm just taking it out. Take out your maths pen notebooks on the same page. Write question C. Question number C. Question C है ना? हाँ. Question C. Arrange in descending order. Ascending तो कर लिया ना आपने पक्का?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, arrange in descending order. It's not in there. Wait a minute. हाँ, I got it. ठीक है.
Descending order in next page because not space in same page.
हाँ. If you don't have space, you can start from a new page. The same. If you don't have space, you obviously आप same page पे तो continue नहीं कर सकते if you don't have a space there. Because 1.10.
Ma'am, I have this space. I have right under the.
Don't ask me such questions. You are big enough कि आपको कहाँ पर लिखना चाहिए. अगर मैंने सेम पेज बोला है तो अगर स्पेस है तो वहीं से लिख लो. Use your own brain. This is very easy. This is just about common sense. Do you have common sense or don't have? If you don't have, then only you will ask me such questions. Oh, what is this? Save image. Okay. Save image. Why is it JPG image? 1.10. Okay, now it is correct. ठीक है. Yes. Where is it? Okay, start doing this. Take out your maths pen notebooks, same page, and start doing this. Arrange in descending order. See, let me show you. I hope everyone, it is visible to you, right? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, देखो बेटा करना कैसे है? Among these one, which is the greatest one? Descending means bigger to smaller. सबसे बड़े से छोटा होता है, bigger to smaller. This is descending order. So which is the biggest? 201, 221, 122 or 220? Which is the bigger one? 201, 221, 122, 220. Which is greater?
220.
220 नहीं 221. 221 वाला क्या है? 201.
221.
Yes, then put an exclamation mark here, or you can say semicolon here. This is semicolon, not exclamation marks. Sorry, semicolon here. फिर 221 के बाद what numbers are left? 201, 122, and 220. Which is greater?
212.
212 नहीं, 220. 100. All right. The next number will be अब 201 और 122 में से कौन बड़ा है?
Mom,
201 और 122. 201 और 122 में से कौन बड़ा है? Yes, स्तुति.
122.
122 नहीं बड़ा है, 201 बड़ा है बेटा. 201 बड़ा होगा या 122 बड़ा होगा? Tell me. 102. Okay, and the last will be 10122 1,112. Okay, all right. Now do these three questions in your maths pair notebook.
After 2 to 1, there is 2 to 0.
After 2 to 1, 2 to 1 के बाद क्या है? 201 तो है बेटा. 220 100. ठीक तो करा है? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? It is descending order, bigger to smaller. And keep your cameras on. Do not switch off your camera for any reason. And send it to me on WhatsApp once you complete it. Let me take the attendance. Very less number of students come in this class. Very less. Arush, are you sleeping? ठीक है आरुष. Okay. Manas, Pratyaksh or Arav Solanki, are you any special guest in the school that you are switching off your camera and not doing the work? Pratyaksh also, he's also the very special one. He thinks himself of the way that he is the special VIP guest. He never switch on his camera. As soon as he switch on his cameras, he put it off. And same with the Manas also. है ना Manas? क्या गेम खेलने लगते हो जो ये बंद कर देते हो कैमरा? Do not switch off your cameras. This is the strict warning. You will keep your cameras on and sit in front. Atharv Singh and Harsh Patel, are you any special guest in this class that you are not switching on your camera? Harsh Patel को तो यही लगता है मैं बहुत special guest हूँ. I am the VIP of the class that I will not switch on my camera. We are about to finish this chapter. Successor predecessor कर लिया था. Okay. Only round off is only one chapter is left. That is the round off, and we'll complete it by tomorrow. We'll try to complete it by tomorrow. But you have to be a little bit quick. Start doing this quickly. Finish it quickly and send the answers to me on WhatsApp. Let me mark your attendance by the time. Yes. This is 4th B, Monday, 24th May. Yes. Arush is present. The third thing is present and Mole absent. Arush, he is absent because he is not switching on his camera. The third thing is present. A third thing will also be marked absent because he will not open his camera. Kartik Kumar, Avni absent, Devansh absent, Dhruv absent, Harsh Patel, Kanishka absent, Kartik Kumar Arun present, Manas Garg present, Nandini present, Pratyak Rathi present, Rishabh present, Samya absent, Sarthak absent, Sheesh present, Shivansh absent, Stuti present. Stuti present, Supreme absent, Vikas absent, Yajat absent. If Yajat absent, Yashraj Zoya. Yashraj is present and Yuvraj Singh absent, Zoya present. Send your answers to me on WhatsApp if you are done.
Send later.
Let me see 4th B. I did not get any answers up till now. Do it quickly. Be quick.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
So send it on WhatsApp if you have done. Why are you saying it to me? None of the answers I found on WhatsApp. You are just saying done, done. Okay, I got the answer of Yashraj. ये क्या किया है? अच्छा ठीक है। यस यशराज, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट। यशराज बेटा ये मेंशन करो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है ये, DESCORD शॉर्ट फॉर्म से, वरना हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ये क्या है। और सेमी कोलन यूज करो बीच में, सारे कॉमर्स कॉमर्स पुट कर दोगे यशराज तो कैसे होगा। शीश करेक्ट बेटा, शीश सेमी कोलन थोड़ा डार्क बनाओ। शीश बेटा सेमी कोलन थोड़ा सा डार्क बनाओ। ओके करेक्ट। हु इज दिस? अतर सिंह, करेक्ट। अतर सिंह, करेक्ट। I got 1, 2, 3 answers up till now. What about others? जल्दी करो ऋषभ, खेलते बहुत तो इधर उधर ध्यान ज्यादा रहता है। हाँ ऋषभ?
Ma'am, I was lost, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on last question.
और मेरे बाद मुझे लास्ट में बाद में जो भेजेगा से एंड दे विल से प्लीज चेक माय आंसर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग। प्रत्यक्ष राठी, व्हाट इज दिस रेड रेड? आपके ये रेड से मुझे ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि आपका कैमरा ऑफ है। कैमरा ऑफ नहीं है बट योर वीडियो इज नॉट विजिबल टू मी। व्हाट आर यू वेरी स्मार्ट प्रत्यक्ष? आर यू वेरी स्मार्ट? Why have you put that red there? Why have you put red in there? Beta, I'm watching your video. I'm not watching the whose cameras are off in the corner. Okay, don't be over smart. Arush and Harsh, open your camera. Harsh Patel, are you some special guest? That we have to keep your I have to keep your cameras on. I have to say this again and again to you. They're very smart. देखो तो camera on करके they are thinking that ma'am will see only the camera's image. I'm watching your videos that what you people are doing actually. Beta, I know there is this may happen that somebody at the back, your parents come and they are doing some work and you just feel shy. And sometimes it happens because you are at home. For that, you can use a virtual background.
Ma'am, I have done.
For that, you can use a virtual background. Use virtual background for that. If your parents also come, they will not be visible to me. Whatever they are doing at back, I will not. It will not be visible to me. If somebody is coming from the back, I will not be able to see that. But what I want to see you what you people are doing. Are you talking? Are you playing? Or whatever you are doing. For that, you have to keep your cameras on. If somebody else from the backs, if you don't want to see that my mother is coming again and she is doing some work and I don't want to show that, so what you can use a virtual background. There is one option of virtual background. You can use that option, but
where it is?
it is coming in the video.
Not available in mobile.
It is not, but beta, do one thing. Once you connect to the laptop and laptop say you can just do it. Otherwise, from a mobile you can carry anywhere in the home. है ना. Mobile you can carry anywhere in the home. So sit at one place in the corner place where where the background is not visible. Background of your home is not visible. Wall की side लेकर बैठो.
Maman,
Wall की side कर लो उसका face. बस simple.
my laptop I can't use background.
Zoya, use scale. Use scale. Very good, Sheesh, if you are using it, but your camera should be on every time. If you are shy that from back, my parents are coming, somebody is coming, my brother is coming, my sister is coming, so better what you can do, you can just use a virtual background. Or you can do one
Ma'am,
thing
I
if you are
can't use
using,
virtual background because that option is not coming. I've
it's,
tried it many times.
okay, have you asked somebody else to do it? In
No,
mobile phones,
ma'am.
I know it is not there. In mobile phones, what you can do, you can just take your mobile phone. It is very easy to carry. I know laptop it's hard to carry, but mobile phone you can carry anywhere. So you just can take this mobile phone anywhere and उसका face उधर रखो जहाँ पर wall है, जहाँ कोई नहीं आता. Corner of a wall और corner में बैठोगे. Zoya, very good, but draw the lines with a scale, Zoya. Let me check the answers. Karthik Kumar Arun, correct. Nandini, correct.
Pangasa.
Stuti, very good, Stuti.
I'm done.
Okay, let me start the next question, beta, because we are already late now. चलो, क्योंकि मुझे next question भी कराना है. आप check कर लो, खुद से check करो answers. Even though I checked your answer, again you check the answers yourself. All right? Again you check the answer yourself. See here, I'm telling you the answers. Wait. Okay, see this answer. Text. Okay, see the answer of this one. Which is the greatest one? 985, 9859. So इनमें से 9 वाले दोनों greater होंगे. 985 and 991. Which is greater? 991. Very good. Yes. So we will write 9, 91, 880. This is the first one, and second one will be 9, 85, 818. This is the second question. Next question will be 8. Acha, 8 आएगा ना? 8, 15, and 999. This is the next one, and the last one will be 5, 08, 919. Check the answers carefully. Check your answers carefully. You see 4, 31, oh, sorry. Which is the greatest one here? 4937. Which is the greatest? Which is the greatest? 9. Very good. 906, 341. Next it will be 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. 7, 43, 444. Okay, then a semicolon. Then 5. 4 के पहले क्या आएगा? 3. 341, 500. And put a semicolon and the last one. What is left out? 3 वाला. नहीं, sorry. 3 वाला last में आएगा, 4 वाला पहले आएगा. 4, 31, 596. Then it will come. Check your answers carefully. I'll share it on WhatsApp also. Answers on the D group also. Please join D group. If you miss any class any day, then you can join. Do this. D group में मुझे send करना है.
I checked the word.
Okay, very good. I'm sharing it on WhatsApp group also, as well as on the D group also. D group is very important. Please join D group. Ask your class teacher to make you join in D group. ठीक है? Okay, let me start the next question now. Shall I start the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who is still doing? Everyone has done it? Is someone
Yes,
still
ma'am.
doing? नंदिनी डन, अच्छा नंदिनी में भी डन कर लिया है। आरफ सोलंकी, आर यू स्टिल डूइंग इट? आरफ तुम्हारा आंसर नहीं है। मिष्टी, वेर आर योर आंसर्स? आई डिड नॉट गॉट योर आंसर मिष्टी।
Yeah, ma'am, do.
मिष्टी, वेर आर योर आंसर्स?
Send. I do. Ma'am.
So you can do share, you can see it from the WhatsApp group. I am just stop sharing this one. Enough time I've given to you. Now you can do it from the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now you can do it from the WhatsApp group I've shared. Now I'm going to start the new question. New page nikalo everyone. Maths पे notebook new page. चलो मैथ्स पे नोटबुक न्यू पेज क्विकली। अभी हमें ये कंप्लीट करना ही है वाला मैथ्स पे notebook.
Ma'am, we have done the chapter.
New page. What we have done? Chapter? We have not done the chapter, beta.
No, ma'am, we have to done the chapter now. You are
हाँ,
saying.
which chapter? नहीं अभी तो थोड़ी सी exercises रह गई हैं. Write exercise 1.11. 1.11. Okay? Write question 8. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं बेटा.
We can write same page.
Mishti, if it is written new page, then you have to write from a new page. Again and again you are asking the same thing. Same new by same page. If I write new page, then new page only. Again, beta, this is the rule of the class. I told this many times, even after you come to the class. If I write new page, that means a new page. You know now, less than, greater than, or equal to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that we have to do.
Ma'am, we have also write today's date.
Obviously, yes. Three, 7, 1. Wait. 3 के बाद कॉमन ही है. 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Draw the box also. Leave one line and then you can do it. Then it will look nice.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes. Don't ask for water. If you have to go for washroom, that you have to ask. Keep one bottle ready with you always. हाँ तो bottle सामने है तो क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Because for washroom you have to switch off your camera and I should know. आरफ सोलंकी बेटा तुम्हारा कैमरा फिर से ऑफ हो गया है? ओ बेटा वेट 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 वेट, ये वाला मत लिखना अभी, ये वाला रॉन्ग हो गया, इधर आएगा ये। It will be 2, 0, 0, 879. ये आएगा 99,999.
Ma'am, in fifth there are two. After two there is comma. In fifth one.
हाँ, it is comma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me tell you the first one. Okay, let me tell you which one 326 वाला कौन सा था, ये रहा, fourth वाला बताती हूँ. 591, see the fourth one, 591 इधर भी है, 326 इधर है, इधर 236 है. So which is greater, 32 or 23? 326 or 236?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 591. Ma'am, 326.
Yes, very good. 326. Wait a second. Let me share it on WhatsApp group also if you are not able to see. Fourth. This is fourth B, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I've taken your attendance also, right? Do it quickly. बेटा ये period over हो जाएगा, इसलिए I'm saying do it quickly. Let me write down the answers. So shall I answers share हम next period में करेंगे. Remind me कि इसके answers share बताने हैं मैम, ठीक है? Answers हम next period में करेंगे इसके. Do the question.